Hello students, hope all is well with you. So today we are doing block 3 and lesson plan 2, retelling in your own words. Retell means to tell again. So when we retell something in our own words, we leave the minor details, unimportant details, and we add the key details, important details. Unimportant details we will leave them, and important details we will add them. So suppose when you go to see any movie and after coming home you tell the 3 hour story in 5 to 7 minutes. So this is now we can tell something in our own words. आप कोई मूवी देखने जा रहे हैं, 2-3 आवर्स की मूवी होती है, आपके फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली मेम्बर्स आपसे पूछते हैं कि क्या था उस स्टोरी में. सो इज इट पॉसिबल टू टेल द 3 hour summary, 3 hour story? It's not possible. So we will take only 5 to 7 minutes and we can tell the key details, we can tell the summary of that movie. So while retelling a paragraph, the key details of the paragraph, people, place, the key events and the overall meaning of the paragraph should remain the same. तो जब भी हम किसी पैराग्राफ की डिटेल्स बताते हैं तो उसमें जो पीपल हैं, जिस प्लेस के बारे में बात हुई है, जो मेन इवेंट्स उसमें हुए हैं, हमें मीन्स ओवरऑल मीनिंग क्या है पैराग्राफ का, हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. द सेंटेंसेज, वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस दैट आर यूज्ड टू कन्वे द मीनिंग ऑफ द पैराग्राफ कैन चेंज. So sentences change हो सकते हैं. The paragraph, for example, when we say after school he rode to transmission center 5 kilometers away, it means that same as after school he rode his bicycle to the nearest transmission center near his village, a good 5 kilometers away. So both the sentences are conveying same meaning. So the person, his actions and the facts remains the same, but the way they are told is different from the original. मीन्स किसी भी चीज़ को जब अपने ओन वर्ड्स में बताते हैं तो थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस करते हैं. पर्सन, प्लेस, मेन चीज़ें वही रहती हैं लेकिन बताने का तरीका थोड़ा चेंज हो जाता है और हम कम वर्ड्स में उन चीज़ों को बताते हैं. सो what details should we exclude from a retelling story and why? So कोई भी स्टोरी जब हम रिटेल करते हैं तो कौन सी डिटेल्स जो है उसे एक्सक्लूड कर देनी चाहिए, रिमूव कर देनी चाहिए. while retelling we can leave out repetitive और minor डिटेल्स. जो डिटेल्स बार बार रिपीट हो रही हैं या माइनर हैं, जिनकी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, उनको हम एक्सक्लूड कर देना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी शुड नॉट इंक्लूड डिटेल्स ऑफ द पावर लाइन, हाउ इट लुक्ड. So now we are going to read the rest of the story, that is a boy's love for sparrow. So let's start. So it's going to hang there by its foot all night, he said. His mother sighed and put off the light. It was Sunday the next day and he did not have to go to school. The first thing he did when he woke up was check whether the bird was still there. He would rather have been in school instead of home to see the poor bird hanging up there on the cruel wire. He spent the morning hours building a mud house under a tree. While coming in at midday, he looked up one more time. What he saw kept him standing there for a long time with his mouth open. The other sparrows were hovering around the trapped bird, trying to help it. He rushed inside and dragged his mother out. She looked up, shading her eyes again. Yes, they're trying to help the trapped bird. Isn't that strange? She said. So क्या होता है इस पैराग्राफ्स में कि जो उसने देखा कि बर्ड वहाँ पे अभी भी हैंग हो रहा है और दूसरे बर्ड उसको कोशिश कर रहे हैं वहाँ से फ्री करने की, तो अंदर से मम्मी को लेके आता है. मम्मी की भी आंखों में आंसू आ गए. सो मम्मी कहती है कि कितनी अजीब बात है ना, ये बर्ड्स कोशिश कर रहे हैं इस बर्ड को सेव करने की. इन द आफ्टरनून हीरा लाल lay on the grass and felt shocked thinking about how the other sparrows were helping the bird, and now nobody else was bothered to do anything about it. His parents would not even talk about it. With his keen eyes, he traced the way a climber could get up the tower. Even if you got up there, how would you touch the sparrow? Those thousands of watts would jump at you just putting your hand near the wire. The only thing that could be done was to get somebody to turn off the power for some minutes. Then he could climb the tower like a monkey and bring down the bird in a jiffy. At night, when he suggested it, his father became angry. So Hiralal saw that the bird was still caught in the power line and he was very sad. He called his mother and shot the bird to her, but she neglected and she ignored him. And when he suggested his plan in front of his father that I should get somebody to turn off the power line for some minutes so that we could bring the bird down, so his father became angry. And now, listen, son, his father said, I don't want to think and worry about the bird. You just leave it alone. Turning to his mother for support, he said, it's only the other birds that are keeping it alive. They were all trying to help it today. So पापा कहते हैं कि बेटा इसके बारे में सोचना छोड़ दो, मैं इसके बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता. तो वो सोचता है मम्मी से कुछ सपोर्ट मिलेगा. उसने बोला देखो दूसरे बर्ड्स कोशिश कर रहे हैं इसे सेव करने की. यस आई नो आई सो दैम रियलाइज्ड हिज मदर. मम्मी बोली हाँ कि मैंने देखा. इट कांट लिव मच लॉन्गर माँ. वाई कांट फादर गेट दैम टू स्विच ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दे वुडंट डू इट फॉर अ बर्ड सन. सो वो कृष्णा जो है बॉय जो है अपनी मम्मी से कह रहा है मम्मी पापा किसी को बुला लें अगर पावर लाइन को स्विच ऑफ करने के लिए तो वो बच जाएगी बर्ड. मम्मी का बेटा वो नहीं करेंगे बर्ड के लिए ऐसा. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग हीरालाल चॉक्ड अप अगेन एंड सो द बर्ड स्टिल फ्लैपिंग इट्स विंग्स एंड ट्राई टू मूव. ही गॉट ऑन टू हिज बाइसिकल एंड रोड एज फास्ट एज ही कुड. ही couldn't think of anything but the trapped bird on the power line. After school, he rode his bicycle to the nearest transmission center near his village, and a good 5 kilometers away, he peered through the gate and saw some men sitting around. When he called out to them, a thin man in a white shirt came and asked what he wanted. Hiralal explained that the problem and said he was there to request them to switch off the current for a minute so that he could go up and save the sparrow. So Hiralal was still thinking about the bird and he rode to the bicycle and went to the nearest transmission center पे वो गया वहाँ पे and he explained his problem that he wants to switch off the power line for a minute so that he could save the bird ताकि वो bird को बचा सके. The man smiled broadly and clicked his tongue. I'm just a maintenance guy. I cannot switch off the current. Ask them there. His name badge short his name as Ram Bharose. He smiled kindly and unlocked the gate to let हीरालाल in. तो जो जिस बॉय ने गेट ओपन किया था उसने बोला मैं तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ मेंटेनेंस बॉय हूँ और मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. वो जो लोग वहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं तुम उनसे जाके बात कर लो. इनसाइड अ जूनियर इंजीनियर हैड हीरालाल टू अ रूम and where a bald man with glasses was sitting at a desk. Hiralal's lips began to tremble and two tears rolled out of his eyes. The man said kindly, sit down son and don't be frightened. जब वो अंदर गया उसने एक बेल्ट विदाउट हेयर मैन को देखा और उसने उसकी आंखों से आंसू आने लगे. तो मैन को दया आई उस पर हीरालाल पे. उसने बोला बेटा बैठ जाओ. Later, when Hiralal explained what he wanted, the man said, how can we cut off the power? The factories will stop, the hospitals will get dark in the middle of the operation. I know you are worried and concerned about the sparrow, but things like this happen. This is life. मैन ने बोला कि इस तरह की चीज़ें होती रहती हैं. पावर लाइन को कैसे हम ऑफ कर सकते हैं. फैक्ट्रीज बंद हो जाएंगी, ऑपरेशन बीच में रुक जाएंगे. सो इस तरह की चीज़ें होती रहती हैं. डोंट बी वरी, तुम चिंता मत करो. लाइफ हीरालाल आज थिंकिंग इट वॉज मोर लाइक डेथ कि ये तो बिल्कुल डेथ के जैसा है. लाइफ कहाँ है ये. The man smiled. He took down Hiralal's name and address. You have done your best, young boy. I can't promise you anything, although go home. सो मैन ने स्माइल किया. उसने हीरालाल का नाम नोट कर लिया और उसने बोला कि ठीक है मैं तुम्हें प्रॉमिस तो नहीं कर सकता, तुम घर जाओ. हीरालाल got home hours later and mother was frantic. He did not have the stomach to look at the sparrow. He felt so bad about it because there were all letting it die and that was life, the man had said. अब हीरालाल घर पहुंचा. मम्मी भी बड़ी परेशान थी. उसकी हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी कि वो बर्ड को देखे. सब किसी को उसकी चिंता नहीं थी. इट मस्ट हैव बीन द मिडिल ऑफ द नाइट व्हेन ही वोक अप. हिज मदर वाज नेक्स्ट टू हिम एंड द लाइट वाज ऑन. दैट देयर इज अ मैन टू सी यू, शी सेड. तो आधी रात हो गई थी. मम्मी उसके बगल में खड़ी हुई थी. उसने देखा और उसकी आंख खुली. मम्मी ने बताया कोई मैन आया है तुमसे मिलने. ही वेंट आउट एंड सो हिज फादर टॉकिंग टू द मैन इन अ वाइट शर्ट. इट वाज राम भरोसे. राम भरोसे जी शाउटेड टू हीरालाल, आर दे गोइंग टू डू इट. अब उसने देखा कि जिस मैन के पास वो गया था राम भरोसे जी थे वहाँ पे. बोला कि आप ऐसे करने वाले हैं. They are doing it, Ram Bharose said smiling. Ram Bharose ने मुस्कुराते हुए कहा हाँ वो कर रहे हैं. He explained to Hiralal's father that a maintenance switch down had been ordered at the minimum load hour. He wanted to be shown where the bird was. So frightened, Hiralal glanced at his father, who nodded and said, "Show him." So उसने राम भरोसे ने पापा को बताया कि कुछ मिनट के लिए पावर लाइन को कट करेंगे. तो मैं इन लोगों को दिखाना चाहता था. हीरालाल ने पापा की तरफ देखा जो उन्हें बता रहे थे. So Hiralal went with him to get the truck. He had got in the right position under the tower. Ram Bharose hooked a chain to his belt and switched on the power torch. He swung out on the ladder and began running up it till he reached the sparrow. He leaned over and carefully worked the bird's tiny claw loose from the wire binding. He managed to get it out safely and put the sparrow in the pocket of his shirt. So जो राम भरोसे है उसने चेन हुक करके वहाँ से बर्ड को सेव कर लिया, उसने अपनी पॉकेट में डाल लिया। इन अ मिनट ही वॉज ऑन द ग्राउंड, ही टुक द बर्ड आउट ऑफ हिज पॉकेट एंड हैंडेड इट टू बॉय। और फिर राम भरोसे नीचे आ गए 1 मिनट में, उन्होंने जो बर्ड है वो स्पैरो जी थी हीरालाल को दे दिया। हीरालाल वो स्पीचलेस होल्डिंग द लिटिल स्पैरो एंड फीलिंग इट्स स्लाइट शिवर। वो बर्ड जो है अभी भी शिवर, ट्रेम्बल, कांप रहा था और बिल्कुल हीरालाल बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीचलेस फील कर रहा था, कोई शब्द नहीं थे वो कैसे थैंक यू करे उसका। इन द लाइट ऑफ द फ्लैश लाइट ही कुड सी इट्स पेल ब्राउन थ्रॉट, इट वॉज अ यंग बर्ड। So thank you, he said. Thank you, Ram Bharose ji. Thank you so much, Ram Bharose ji. So you can see that how many times he said thank you. He is very grateful to Ram Bharose ji. Hiralal held the sparrow in his cupped hands and it lay there quietly with the tips of its wings crossed. Suddenly it took 2 little jumps and spread its slender wings. It beat its wings frantically in the air. Long afterwards, Hiralal remembered how it gave a little shiver of happiness when it soared high in the sky. So जब स्पैरो जो है स्काई में उड़ गई तो हीरालाल बहुत ही खुश हुआ. So this was the story and that's how Hiralal was able to save the bird. Now let's have a look at the workbook. So open your worksheet at page number 18 and retelling it onwards and read the paragraph, answer the questions that follow. So now the paragraph is, he spent the morning hours building a mud house under a tree. While coming in at midday, he looked up one more time. When he saw, kept him standing there for a long time with his mouth open. The other sparrows were hovering around the trapped bird, trying to help it. He rushed inside and dragged his mother out. She looked up, shading her eyes again. Yes, they are trying to help the trapped bird. Isn't that strange? She said. In the afternoon, Hiralal lay on the grass and felt shocked thinking about how the other sparrows were helping the bird and how nobody else was bothered to do anything about it. His parents would not talk about it. So with his keen eyes, he faced the way a climber could get up the tower. Even if you got up there, how would you touch the sparrow? Those thousands of volts would jump at you just putting your hand near the wire. The only thing that he could be done was to get somebody to turn off the power for a minute. Then he could climb the tower like a monkey and bring down the bird in a jiffy. At dinner that night, when he suggested it, his father became very angry. So what you have to do, you have to retell the paragraph in only 3 to 4 sentences using your own words. Now you read the paragraph. It is a very big paragraph. But you don't need to tell all the details. Only in 3, 4 or 5 sentences, maximum 5 sentences, you can retell it in your own words. That Hiralal saw above in the sky and he saw that the bird was still trapped in the power line. He was very sad. He thought of a plan that if he could get somebody to turn off the power for some time, then he could go up and bring down the bird and save it. And when he suggested this plan to his father became very angry. So this was the summary of the paragraph. So what details have you not included in your retelling the paragraph? Why? So इसमें पूछा गया कि आपने कौन सी डिटेल्स ऐड नहीं की है रिटेलिंग करते वक्त और क्यों नहीं की है. So like we have left many details, like he spent the morning hours building a mud house under a tree while climbing in midday, and the birds were hovering around the trapped bird. So these type of details have not been included because they are not important details, they are minor details. So whenever we are telling something in our own words, we don't need to tell minor details that don't affect the overall meaning of the poem. So I hope you can understand the topic very well, retelling in your own words. So do as to. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.